Čaute, tu som zase ja, ProGamer a vítam vás už u 5. časti na našu Let's Play sériu z hry The Walking Dead Season 1. Dámy a páni, v minulej časti sme dokončili prvú epizódu, fakt skvelá, a naše osadenstvo vlastne utieklo z tej benzínnej pumpy, či čo usadili sa v tom motele, kde bola tá žena, ktorá som nechal spáchať samovraždu, lebo už aj tak bolo, tak povediať, po nej, lebo bola nakazená tým zombie vírom a zmrt Larry, pre ktorému som pomáhal, som mu tie lieky na srdce našiel, on ma tam ten zmrd ešte chcel nechať skapať a potom nám tam ešte v závere povedal, že on vie, kto sme a že sám proste vyhrážal, že by to mohol povedať ostatným. A ja si myslím, že obkecávania už bolo dosť a ideme sa vrhnúť do epizódy číslo 2, žiadajúc po pomoci. OK. Že ste ready? Oh. Aha, menšia rekapitulácia. Čurák. Sa vám tu snažím rekapitulovať, rada sama rekapituláciu. No, toto všetko poznáme. Grambľajúci Lee.
You keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout. It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly. You'll shift in with Doug when he needs it.
You got it, boss.
No hej, ten Kenny tu tak šefoval. Všetko je to pre mňa také známe, lebo včera som natočil prvú časť. No hej, tieto drastické rozhodnutia, čo sme spravili, že sme zachránili Carly, ale tak umrel.
But if anything happens to my daughter or that little girl you got with you, you watch your ass.
No, som kus vyhrážal. Dobre, to bola asi rekapitulácia. Sa ideme pozrieť do druhej časti. Okay. Máme asi jeseň. Typujem asi, že je jeseň. Tu máme našeho Leeho. Sabro. O 3 mesiace neskôr. No jasné, svoju sekeru mám. Čiže toto je o 3 mesiace neskôr. No hneď takto už Lee je čistý veterán a už sa... Aha, dostali zajaca. To je tento týpek. Došlo nám žebra jedlo. Aha, nám asi hovorí, ako sme tohoto týpka rekrutovali. Ale som rád, že máme našu sekerku, ktorú sme získali v minulej časti. Čiže sme asi na hliadke. No aj, si nie je istý, koľko máme jedla. Spýtaj sa Lily, ona to má tak na povel. No ako hej, teraz to je také, že kto je líder, či Lily alebo Kenny. Aha, čiže Kenny a Lily sa asi vo veľa vecách nezhodnú.
And they're safest in a big group. Going out on his own will get them all killed. Can't blame him though. Did you hear Larry going off on him last night? What's the old guy's deal anyway? Seems like he's got a problem with you in particular.
No hej, so mnou má veľký problém. Oh shit.
thinks I'm a danger to the group and Clementine.
I think he's the one putting us in danger.
Toto je
He
Mark.
really worries about his health.
No, tento Mark je správny, asi na našej strane.
And I know Lily thinks he's getting weaker, but the guy's own muscle. He's a walking pirate driver. I know I wouldn't want to be
No hej, že Larry je korba, nie?
This one time,
Knock me flat.
No asi hovoríme, ako nás knockoutoval tam. Hello, Brana. Hororoch, keď zabíja Branu.
Don't get shot by block.
No aj by ich to mohlo prilákať, čiže radšej,
really freaking hungry.
no aj hlad asi bude v tejto epizóde. Oh shit,
Shit, was that Kenny?
bol to Kenny?
Come on.
Hej, poďme rýchlo. Môže byť niekto v Malére. Ozýva sa to tady, aj? Čo to je? Nejakí noví typci. Kred na nohu Bertrape. To je zlé. Potrebuje... To je ich učiteľ. Hello Kenny. Ty vole. Ako sa ti podarilo preboha dostať nohu do Bertrapy?
We barely got away from that.
What guys?
Why the fuck is there a bear trap out here?
Čo sa stalo? To ma zaujíma.
Mr. Parker said we should stay off the street. We were trying to be careful, but...
No, snažil sa byť opatrný, ale evidentne im to nevyšlo.
Shut up.
No ako mali by sme im pomôcť, ale
Just see if we can get him out. After that,
týpek tu asi priláka všetky volkro.
please.
Gotta get him out of there.
Oh God, thank you.
No, ja budem ten správny. Pomôžeme im, ale... Oh shit, volkery nie sú ďaleko.
There's no release lights.
Že musíme byť rýchli. Kamo, ty dávaj pozor, dobre? Oh shit,
Shit. Walkers. They will never leave.
teraz alebo nikdy.
Mark, get the boys back.
Oh shit, ideme mu ujebať nohu sekerou.
Please hurry.
Skúsim najprv toto. No, niečo mi hovorí. Dobre, kámo. Bude to bolieť, ale ber to tak, že ti zachraňujem život. Toto bude odporné. Ideme mu jebať nohu. Fuck. Kamaráde. Sorry bro, ale chceš pomôcť, tak ti pomáham. Ty kokso. Ujebali sme mu nohu.
Get past that.
No, dúfam, že týpek nevykrváca. No hej, vezmeme ho a padajme odtiaľto, lebo volkry už tu idú. No, Kenny je... to je...
Behind you. Travis! Come on.
Kámo, za tebou. Ty vole, zdrhaj a No, he's dead. Stop je mŕtvý. Je po Travisovi. Tak to nám kurva dobre začína. OK, to bolo menšie intro druhej časti asi. OK, vraceme sa o našho moto. Pozrite už ako za tie 3 mesiace toto opevnili. Cool. Žiadajúc po pomoci, epizóda 2. Valentinka sa musí tu asi nudiť. Tu máme Daga Kaču. Tu máme Lily v pozore. A ten ten zmrd Larry tam čo robí. Stále mám na Larryho pivku, že nás tam nechal. Niekto sa tam šušne. To budeme pravdepodobne my, ale Lily to nevie. Také creepy, že s tou loptou.
Get the gates open!
Hej, otvorte bránu.
Shit. What the hell are we doing?
Čo robíme? No, zachraňovali sme jedného týpka tým, že sme mu jedali nohu. Som v poho, ale tento týpek nebude, musíme...
I don't know. Wait. What the hell? You can't just be bringing new people here. What are you thinking?
Ty tu rozhoduješ.
Hey, what else?
No, on by umrel, kebyže
I
ho
also
tam
know why you
necháme.
thought bringing more mouths to feed was a good idea.
He would have died if we left him.
So what? We
No,
are not responsible
zase
for
si
every
sa ukázal, ty
single
zmrt.
that come across.
Musíš
We
skúsiť
have
si na
to
nám otvoriť
our
hubu.
group right here, right now.
Čo keby sme tam nechali,
We
keď...
haven't even talked to these people yet. Maybe they can be helpful.
Možno môžu byť pomocní.
People trying to survive just like us.
Hej,
We've got to stick
snažia sa
together.
prežiť ako aj my. Musíme držať postol.
Enough for all of us. But that food is almost gone. We've got maybe a week's worth left. And I don't suppose you guys are carrying any groceries, are you?
No? Fine, you guys fight. Look at the family here.
Come over here and see what I drew.
Čo?
No,
Just come on. Daddy.
Klementinka už ho zamestná.
This little group, but we can make our own goddamn decisions.
No,
This isn't your own personal dictatorship.
asi sa budú hádať o to, kto tu bude tomu šéfovať.
Everything always turns into a power struggle between you two. I'm not gonna be a part of that.
Nechce byť
I didn't ask to leave.
Carly tou súčasťou.
Everyone was happy to have you distributing the food when there was enough to go around. And now that
Hej,
it's running
nie
out,
je
it's
dôležité,
suddenly
kto je vo
goddamn
vedení.
Nazi.
It doesn't matter who's in charge. Those people are here now. Guess we just have to decide what
Budem
happens.
nestranný, nech nikoho neuvažujem.
One person can't be in charge of everything. You know, it might feel safe for you to sit on the fence, but sooner or later, you're gonna have to decide whose side you're on. I don't see any of you stepping up to make the hard decisions. My girl's got more balls than all of you combined.
Že jeho dcera má väčšie gule, ale ako ktokoľvek tu. Larry. On asi vie našu minulú, čo vám povedal v
This is
minulej
easy
epizóde.
for me. Everyone's starting to hate me because I'm the one that rations the
No
food.
hej.
Nobody else wants to.
Ako na jednu stranu Lily chápem, chce nás udržiavať nažive.
Today's food rations, but there's not enough for everyone.
Aha,
The
pre
problem
všetkých. Teraz asi Lily nám dá to jedlo, nech máme rozhodnúť, komu ho dáme. Nemáme toho veľa, čiže teraz ideme rozhodovať, komu dáme to jedlo. Ten Larry ho taký míra, že keby si tam skapal, bol by o jedného kreténa menej. Teraz vieme asi porozmýšľať, komu dáme to jedlo. OK. Ideme sa najprv porozprávať s Katčou, že
It's
ona
gonna be okay.
ti bude pomôcť.
Sure. What do you need?
Hej, ideme.
Apply some pressure here while I try to close this up. You know, I thought I was starting to get used to this. Selling people's injuries. I mean, cuts and bruises are one thing, but this man has no leg.
No, nemá nohu.
I did the right thing.
Spravil som správnu vec.
Right pain is just scary sometimes.
No hej, niekedy správna vec nie je práve to, čo si ľudia prajú.
You can, Nate. Thanks for the help.
Nie, za
I'll
čo,
head to check
Katča?
in on the others. I need a little space here anyway.
No dobre, idem že... Katči nedáme jedlo, lebo s ňou nemôžem interagovať. Idem sa tu pozrieť k ostatným. Že by som išiel za Klementínkou. Jej rozhodne jedlo dám, lebo
How you doing?
to treba.
Where's your hat?
I don't know.
Oh,
Can you help me find it?
nemáš čiapku?
Sure. When did you lose it?
Hej, ideme helpnúť
I promise.
nájsť čiapku.
I'll let you know.
Thank you.
Okay.
I've got to take care of some things. Why don't you go back to playing with Duck for a while?
Okay.
Dobre, čiže Klementínke dáme jedlo.
Here, Clem, you need something to eat.
Čo jej dáme? Dáme jej jabko.
I love apples.
No,
Thank you.
vidíte, potešili sme ju. Nice.
That was a nice woman.
Oh,
Enjoy it.
Užij si ho a zaslúži si ho. Presne takhle. No čo, ideme si tu pokecať s našim nováčikom?
Hey, is my friend gonna make it?
Či to jeho priateľ zvládne?
That's what we'll do our best.
No aj, Kačo robí čo najlepšie, vie.
Can't believe you chopped off his leg.
There was no other way.
No, nebolo na výber. No, z toho niečo, kto
So
si.
who are you people? Our group's gonna want to know.
I'm Ben. Ben Paul.
Oh, čiže toto je Ben, OK.
Band
Musíme tie
director of
mená
school.
pamätať.
We all
Tak
came
nesme
out
sa
for
kreténa.
the playoffs when
Aha, čiže toto asi bol nejaký futbalista, alebo čo? Hral playoff? Sorry, sa v tom nevyznám.
How you holding up, kid?
Ako sa drží?
I keep wondering if I could have done
Tomuto
something
by
else.
som teoreticky jedno jedlo mohol dať, lebo chápete, je dosť vystrašený. Prišiel,
I'm sure you did all you could.
no robil všetko, čo mohol. Prešiel jedného kamoša a jeho učiteľ to možno nezvládne, čiže
Want something to eat?
dáme mu niečo na jedenie.
If your kid got ready, it probably means you haven't eaten in a while.
Tak to posledné jedlo viem presne komu dám.
Are you out of your mind? We needed that food for us, for our kids.
Just because
To
you
som
put
trochu
food
asi
doesn't mean
dosral.
it's not hungry.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cause trouble.
You're fine, kid. Enjoy.
To asi u Kennyho sme trochu klesli. Sorry, mne dá takéto veci na starosti, táto úplne dojebem, už to vidím. A posledné jedno som tu dal našej Carly.
Lily has me handing out the food.
Ugh, that can't be an easy job.
No nie je to
I
ľahké.
won't be able to feed everyone. What should I do?
Well, if you wanted to get in good with Lily, I'd make sure Larry gets some food. You know that guy can be a little dick sometimes. On the other hand, giving that food to Kenny and his family might make him remember you if he decides to take off in that RV one day.
What about you? You need food too.
No aj ona potrebuje jedno.
I can't tell you what to do, but whatever happens, I know you'll be trying to do the right thing.
No, ona je tá správna. Vie, že urobím tú správnu vec.
Want something to eat?
Me? How about you? You look like crap, Lee.
Nie,
When was the last time you ate?
dvakrát som mi zachránil život, ja tebe raz, teraz to vyrovnávam.
Starts feeling weak. I know I said it didn't matter why you saved me instead of Doug, but
You don't owe me anything, Connor.
No, vezmi si to. Čiže Carly... Dagovi istotne dám.
Food.
Tábo...
yeah. Oh man, I'm so hungry.
Hej. Dag si to určite zaslúži.
Some of these people have gone
No
long
aj,
without food.
musíme tu ešte ostatných nakrmiť. A to posledné by som teoreticky mohol dať Kennymu, alebo... No, jednoznačne poďme si pokecať s Kennym a potom uvidíme.
Word's getting out that you want to leave the motor in.
That ain't no secret, Lee. It's probably our best bet. Look, you've been good to me and my family. You saved Duck from those
No,
monsters, and you stood up to Larry at the drugstore. I won't forget that. You and Clem are welcome to come with us.
s Kennym si asi budujeme dobrý vzťah.
Cool. Ghost does sound like a smart idea. Maybe that is the best thing.
I know there is. I'm taking my family.
Kenny mu
Want something to
dáva.
eat? Here, Kenny, take this.
How about my boy? He eat yet?
Yeah, I gave him something.
Sure, and hand it over. I'm starved. Thanks.
Tak, Kennymu sme dali a týmto sme prišli o všetko jedlo. Vieme sa si poradiť s Lily.
Not such an easy job, is it?
No, nebolo to ľahké.
I don't know how you have the strength to do this every day.
I don't have a choice.
Hey, thanks for looking out for me and my family.
Hmm.
I'm serious about that offer to come with us. You've more than earned a ride on the RV with me.
No, Kenny ma
I
mal
guess some
celkom
people
rád.
might be happy with your choices. You're out! What happened to my food?
Čo sa stalo s mojim jedlom? Ty si ho nezaslúžiš.
People like this and your days in this room.
Chcel si ma nechať skapať a ja ti mám za to dávať jedlo.
Yeah, well I don't see you working on that wall.
Nevidím teba pracovať na tej stene. Proste Larry je v kuse takého syna v zadku, taký... Chová sa ku všetkým jak hajzer. Kate, dá sa pokecať s Lily?
We should talk about you and Kenny.
What about us?
The argument. It's getting pretty out of hand.
No musím to medzi ľuďmi urovnať.
Look, I'm working my ass off to make sure we have a good setup here, and Kenny just doesn't appreciate that. All we need is food.
No, hej, potrebujeme jedlo.
You know that better than anyone.
Well, we'll just have to find some.
Nejaké by sa nám hodilo.
Maybe we should think about leaving the motel.
God, not you too. I know Kenny wants to leave. I think that's why he's so eager to get the RV working. But this is a good spot. We're protected, we're close to the drugstore, we have a routine now and it's working.
But now,
Hm.
Lily,
I see how it is, Lee. Talk to you later, okay?
Dobre, Lily teraz momentálne s nami toľkovať nechce. Počkať, tuším, Larry by mal
Will you hold the damn board steady?
I'm trying. I didn't realize I was getting this week already.
What do you want? A handout? I got 60 cents in my pocket. If you'll shut up, quit being such a parent.
Kúkaš, on sa chová jak dement. Ale okej, poďme si s ním pokecať.
You holding up okay, Lee? That was pretty fucked up back there. Having to cut that guy's leg off.
No,
yeah.
to bolo dosť ťažké rozhodnutie. Kača ho zachráni.
Sorry, there just wasn't enough food to go around.
I understand. Gotta be hard to make those decisions.
No aj nie je ľahké robiť tieto rozhodnutia.
You ever miss the Air Force Base? I mean, this wall isn't exactly military standard.
No way I'm going back there. You saw what it was like when you guys picked me up. Completely overrun.
Lily's pretty pissed at us.
No aj na nás
I know
kúzna
my
strana.
intentions,
But nothing. She's making the smart
No,
choice. Those
ona robí
parasites
správne
in that spot,
rozhodnutia.
that need to go.
Ty si sa proste musel ozvať, že? Ty starý dedo.
Nope.
No,
Actually,
jasne,
use your
nepotreboval
axe.
to.
You mind if we take it?
Yeah, give us that thing for a bit.
Čiže teraz sa vám hodím, lebo mám sekeru a vy nie. Markovi dám.
Here, Mark, this is how.
Thanks.
Hey, I'm the one doing all the work over here. You didn't think to give me the axe?
Come on, Larry, give it a rest. I'm
Hej,
sure Lee is getting pretty sick of you thinking he's a danger to the group.
no hej, už
It's that.
má to kus sere.
That's right.
And what are you gonna do about it?
Čo s tým urobím?
I don't care what it is.
Trochu tu rastie napätie.
The only thing I have to do is protect my daughter.
No, ako chápem, že chce chrániť svoju dceru, ale nechová sa ku všetkým a najmä ku
You
mne
two
jak
shut
dement.
up and let me get back to work.
Mark nezavidíme, musí pracovať s takýmto kreténom.
Ken, Lee, come here, please.
Čo je kača?
He didn't make it, did he?
Nezvládol
He
to.
lost too much blood.
Vykrvácal, ako som si aj
I'm
myslel.
getting sick of this
Come
news.
back. There's nothing.
Let him go, Kaji.
What?
He just needs time. It's been a rough morning.
That man we brought, I tried, but he was never going to survive.
No hej, nikde mohol prežiť.
What about the other kid?
Čo tie ostatné decka? Oh shit! Kurva. Dobre, ten typek nie je až taký mŕtvý, ako sa myslelo. Ouch! Čo? Nejak som prišiel o hlavu. Ty vole, kámo, Mark. Daj mi tú sekeru. On ma zabije. Mark. Just. Aha, mám ich. Oh shit. OK. Máme tu prvý dead. Pozriem, čo mám robiť, čiže... Jasné, Mark zasekol tú sekeru. Fuck you! Musíme ísť dozadu. Oh shit. Naša gramľavosť. Oh. Dobre, Lee, musíme hlasu zabiť. Carly! Halus. Tretíkrát nám zachránila život. Ona si to jedlo zaslúži.
Why'd you bring him here in the first place?
Prečo si ho tu vzal, ty kár?
Get us all killed!
Ako som mal vedieť, že sa premení?
What? He was bitten and you didn't see a goddamn
No hej, on nám nepovedal.
I swear! Well, your not-bitten friend here came back to life and tried to kill my wife! What?
Snažil sa zaujímať.
Y'all don't know? What the hell are you talking about? It's not the bite that does it.
Nie je to kusnutí.
You come back no matter how you die. If you don't destroy the brain, that's just what happens.
Oh, toto sa stane, či umrete akokoľvek.
God help us.
It makes sense. Those first few
Dáva
days
to
was
zmysel.
so fast.
Car accidents, suicides. Everything was making more of them.
When I first saw it happen, we were all hiding out in the gym. Everybody thought we were finally safe. But one of the girls, Jenny Pitcher, I think,
Oh, nám hovorí, ako sa to prvýkrát
took the
stalo
pills,
u
a
neho.
lot of them. Someone went in the girls' room the next morning and
No, bang, bang, bang.
Back off!
Čo? Ďalší typci.
Relax. Me and my brother, we just want to know if y'all can help us
I
out.
said back off!
Hej, ustúpte.
We don't want any trouble.
Of course. Neither do we.
Nechceme
I'm
problémy.
Andy St. John. This here's my brother Dan. We're just out looking for gas.
Oh, hľadajú
Looks
benzín.
like you folks got the motel locked down, which is fine, but it's sparing the gas, but we'd be much obliged.
Why do you need gas?
our place is protected by an electric fence. Generators provide the electricity.
Our generators run on gas. Look, we own a dairy farm a few miles up the road. Y'all be willing to lower your guns, we can talk about some kind of trade.
How y'all doing on food? We got plenty at the dairy.
Oh, že mám veľa jedla.
Lee, why don't you and Mark check the place out, see if it's legit?
Aha, ja Mark to máme ísť očakovať. A Carly ide s nami.
What do y'all think?
Čo si o tom myslíme?
You got a deal.
Dobre, ideme,
We'll
ale
bring some gas to you, Terry.
trochu
In
mi to
exchange,
smrdí.
You give us some food to bring back. See how it goes.
Ale
from there.
potrebujeme vyriešiť naše problémy s
Couple
jedlom.
gallons should power one of our generators for a while. So, listen, Eric, you guys really have food?
Vy skutočne
We
máte
also
jedlo?
some cattle, but we still have lots of milk, butter, and cheese stocked up.
And with the vegetables we grow, we got plenty of food.
Tak, tu by som, dámy a páni, stopol 5. časť, čiže ak sa vám videjko páčilo, dáte like, ak nie dislike, vám rád za každý koment. S vami je ProGamer a vidíme sa v ďalšej časti The Walking Dead. Majte